Welcome you all in the video lecture series of engineering mathematics. In this section we are going to discuss about the questions related to linear algebra. So let's see the question first. This is question number 3 related to linear algebra. If B is the real vector space of all mapping from R to R, then we have defined the two sets B1, which is the set of even functions where f belongs to the vector space V, and V2 is the another set of all odd functions and again f belongs to V. Then which one of the following is correct? So V is the real vector space given, and two sets we have given B1 and B2. So we have to select the correct option. The option 1 is neither B1 nor B2 is a subspace of V. B1 is a subspace of V, but V2 is not a subspace of V. V2 is a subspace of V, but B1 is not subspace of V. Both B1 and B2 are not subspace of V. Sorry, B1 and B2 both are a subspace of V. So this we have the four options given here. V is the real vector space of functions from R to R. So in such conditions, when we go for the solution, we should know about the how we can prove the subspace of a vector space V. So according to definition, if V be the vector space over the field F is any field here, and W is the subset of V, then W is called a subspace of V if and only if W itself is a vector space over the F with respect to the same operations of vector addition and scalar multiplication in V. It means if we need to prove that B1 and B2 are the subspace of the vector space V, then we need to prove V1 and B2 are the vector space over the same operations. But mathematically what we have to prove here, the necessary and sufficient condition we will see here. If any two element of field F, A and B belongs to F, then for all alpha beta belongs to W, that is the W is the subset of V. If we can prove that A alpha plus B beta belongs to W for all alpha beta belongs to W, then W will be the subspace of V. So in the both case for the B1 and B2, to show that B1 and B2 are the subspace of V, we need to prove this condition. In that case, we will go one by one. Suppose F and G belongs to B1 and A and B are the scalars that belongs to F. In that case, we go for the operation AF plus BG minus X, as it is a set of even functions. That will be equals to A of F minus X plus B G of minus X. Since F and G both belongs to B1 and it is the set of even functions, so it will be A of Fx plus B of AF of X and plus B G of X. So in this way we can write here AF plus BG X. So what we see in such condition, this if it happens here, so it will be the subspace of V. So AF plus BG that belongs to B1, it means B1 is the subspace of V. So we have started from F and G belongs to B1 and A and B are the scalars that belongs to the field F. So in that case AF plus BG will belongs to V1. So B1 is a subspace of V. So first condition is satisfied here, B1 is the subspace of V. Similarly, we go for the V2. If F and G belongs to V2 and A and B both are belongs to field F, in that case AF plus BG minus X, again same way we will proceed here, A into F of minus X, B G of minus X. Since these two are the odd functions, that's why A into minus of fx plus b into minus of gx we get here. Same way it is minus taken common here, af plus bj is equals to x. So what do we see here? We have taken the minus x with the operation f and g. Here we get minus of this. So this will satisfy that af plus bg belongs to b2. Again same way we have started from f and g belongs to b2 and a and b are the scalars or belongs to the field f. In that case af plus bg belongs to b2. So what we get here result, both b1 and b2 are the subspace of V. So our answer is D is our answer, that b1 and b2 both are the subspace of V. So this is our result. So we have tried to solve, not only try to solve the question, also some theoretical part we cover so that it will be helpful for the different type of questions. So thank you for watching this video. I hope so you like it. So do not forget to subscribe for more update, share with your friends, and definitely you can comment on the comment box for your query. Thank you for watching this video.